We gotta wait for the plane to pass by.
Bro, we got microphones for a reason. They're scrambled like an egg before you get folded like an omelet.
What's up, guys?
Bitch!
First of all, look at that fresh cut.
Ooh,
Look at that dirty ear.
just got faded.
Look at that.
Ah ha ha. Me and my son.
2 likes and we'll delete this channel because of that.
What we're really here for, and what I was trying to explain into the last video, was the fact that I got a new front mount intercooler for my car, and we're gonna be doing the install on that today.
I'm sorry for my friend here, Peter, who's not very introductive. Welcome, guys. I'm glad you clicked on this video, first of all, and I just hope you enjoy it.
And please hit the like and subscribe button. So, here's problem number 1. There's only one port for my blow-off valve. This one is there's supposed to be a secondary one. There's supposed to be 2, but it's not there. So, I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna do this and see how I'm gonna get everything fit up, because our boost controller line is not in the place that it's supposed to be.
What was that? Pop quiz. Who's your favorite artist?
And what?
Musical artist.
Your mom, whenever she's cleaning.
Whenever she's cleaning?
Yeah.
What noise does she make?
No, because she sings when she cleans.
What? How do you know that? Hold on.
I just know.
Pause.
Hey guys, just a little update. I want to kiss myself. It is raining because if y'all don't know, we live in Texas, and if you've lived here, you know that the weather is very unpredictable at times. So it is raining. I just figured out that my turbo inlet pipe does not fit, and we managed to actually get everything mated up properly for this turbo inlet pipe to work.
Compramos carros y camionetas viejas para desarmar.
We've had to go backwards a few steps, but we've also gone forward like 1 step.
Why do we choose this day, man?
I don't know why. It's like every single day we do something, there's always got to be something wrong.
This is why our uploads haven't been pretty constant, okay? Because of shit like this. We could start putting the O-rings on this one, right?
Yeah, we can put the couplings on it.
Or couplings. Words.
So we have these couplings right here. If y'all know that these are actually
What the hell?
these are actually way better than like these. If you have to get a certain type, please get these. If you don't have any room for these, it's okay to use these. Just tighten them adequately. Don't over tighten them, because they'll actually cut the pipe if you over tighten it. Or you'll end up stripping it out and you'll never be able to get it off ever again. With these on the other hand, they're easy to take off, they're easy to put back on. They are also a lot more stable, and I like using them a lot more. So, luckily, CTS Turbo actually supplied us with these. I'm not sponsored by them, I just really like the product that they've given to me. I believe that previously I did mention that there is no port or bung for the diverter valve, or in more Volkswagen-ish terms, the N75 valve. So, as a way to remedy this, what I'm going to end up doing is using one of these, drilling a hole into the pipe, and then sticking it onto the atmospheric line of the diverter valve. So hopefully, since they're both atmospheric, it won't cause that big of a mess, and maybe I'll be able to tune it out later. So here's an update. This one is for an Audi TT with the AMU engine code, or this is for the 225. What I ended up getting was the turbo inlet pipe for the Audi TT with AWP engine, which also works with the Volkswagen Golf GTI. This pipe didn't originally come with this little thing right here, so I had to make a new one by myself. Now I don't really need it anymore. Meanwhile, with this one, it actually has that connector right there. Another issue that we ran into is the current MAF housing fits this one, but not this one. So what I'm gonna do is a little bit of rednecking, and then I'm just gonna end up cutting part of the silicone pipe to fit over this, so it could fit on top and actually clamp on. So the reason why I have this pipe right here is because I'm gonna need two clamps. One to clamp this pipe onto there, and another one to clamp this onto the MAF housing. So hopefully this will all work in our favor, and then I can go to sleep knowing that I'm a genius. So currently the problem we're facing is this end right here that's supposed to go into the turbo is giving us a hard time. And everybody that has ever tried to install one of these knows the struggle of putting this end into the turbo. Now Audi and Volkswagen seem to think it was funny to bring the turbo down there instead of bringing it up here. So it's really hard to finagle anything in there. Not to mention there's also like water lines and stuff you gotta worry about too. So, we got good news. We managed to get this to fit, so it's not impossible. We just had to stretch the pipe. So what we did was we ended up getting hose clamps, just basic hose clamps from AutoZone, and then just clamping them onto here. And now we have a MAF connected to this turbo inlet pipe. Now what we have to do is connect this to the brake booster, connect the N95, the N75, and aka the boost controller, connect the diverter valve here. And what's really neat with this kit was they thought of everything, and they actually got this little grommet. This is not an actual piece of the PCB system. There's actually a rubber grommet right here that you can stick onto your turbo inlet pipe. God, I hope it fits. There it is. So now you have your PCV system as well as your diverter valve. The N75 is going to fit up here, and then your vacuum line is going to go right to here. So hopefully this all works to plan. I'm starting to think I'm not the one picking the bad days, it's just Yessie.
The weather, the condition on us working on cars, it's just like a poem, you know. It's like it's giving us a lesson.
I'm so close.
About life. See, when life gives you lemons, you make lemonade, right, Peter?
Yep.
But when the lemonade keeps
Got
giving
it,
you
I got it.
bad f***ing weather, I was
it.
about to go deep, bro. Come on. Take it back out.
No, fuck you.
Take it back out. Take it back out. No, I'm taking it out. No, I'm taking it out.
Hey guys, here's an update video. We managed to get all this piping onto the car. Now what we got to do next is we got to do a vacuum leak test for this, and we'll give you guys an update on where the vacuum is going to be.
It's just such a coincidence, man.
I mean, every single time we try to work on our cars, it just happens to rain. I just don't understand this.
That's so weird. It's
And
so weird.
we're from Texas. It's not supposed to rain.
Yeah, there's barely any clouds on top of us.
There's literally no clouds up here.
I wish I could show you, but my camera isn't weather resistant.
Yeah, and we don't have a camera woman with us. We're using a tripod. What I ended up getting was this, which is a vacuum leak tester. So what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm gonna connect this to the turbo inlet pipe that we just installed, and then right here is gonna be our hose connection for our air compressor. And then over here is our electrical connections that we're gonna stick onto the battery, so it heats up the coil in here that's gonna turn our mineral oil and vape juice into
Don't vape, kids. Don't vape.
don't vape unless it's for your car's vacuum leaks.
Don't vape at all.
Life lesson. Just get the correct part. Basically, all you gotta do is connect the battery onto here, and then there's like a kill switch over here that'll tell it whether to go or not. So let's find out where this leak is, because I'm stumped. I have no idea where it is. So we're gonna plug it in here. All I did was I just put some rags in it. I'm gonna connect this air hose right there. I hope my compressor's on, but it seems like there's a lot of air pressure in here. So then we connect the battery. And then we turn it on.
Peter, nothing's happening.
Not yet.
There's the good old vape juice. Oh yeah.
It smells like death. This is not your standard vape juice. This is actual mineral oil. Son of a bitch.
Hey Peter, no cussing.
Oh, found the leak.
There it is, boys.
It appears that the leak is on the PCV breather hose.
Hey.
And I just conveniently got a new one.
Oh no.
So we have one coming in, hopefully this week. So I guess that'll be the next video to make it drivable.
See ya, guys. You ain't gonna hear it. You ain't gonna hear it. Turn it on. Bye.
Well, I believe that is all, folks.